Shanghai Huabing Mechanical and Electric Equipment Company Limited. It is the country's one of the leading commercial electrical appliance sales company and a comprehensive enterprise integrating design, development, construction, OEM, and sales. Brands include iHouse, Hanshu, Ascod, Nicewo, and other brands, serving 80,000 customers. Cumulative sales of 200,000 units. Products are sold throughout the country, Hong Kong, Macau, Singapore, South America, Africa, and many other countries and regions. Our associated factory was established in 2003 and is headquartered in Songjiang District, Shanghai. It focuses on refrigeration equipment, cold storage room, air curtain cabinets, cake cabinets, kitchen refrigerators, etc., catering equipment, oil fume purifiers, smokeless barbecue trucks, dishwashers, etc., kitchen equipment, and other fields. Has a high reputation and influence in the industry. The company has obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, 3C National Product Certification, CE EU National Standard Product Certification, CEP China Energy Conservation and Environmental Protection Product Certification, CCTV Advertising Brand, Alibaba High Quality Cooperation Suppliers, Government Procurement Suppliers, and many other corporate honors and qualifications. The company's mature complete management system, professional pre-sales team, superb technical team, and high-quality after-sales service have laid a solid foundation for the company's further development. We have been pursuing excellence in service, quality, and innovation, aiming at the top of the industry.